Cabin crew, take your seats.
Well, hello aviation lovers and welcome back to the Vliegpiet channel. This week we're gonna land at Rotterdam Runway 06. It was severe CAVOK, as in we had very clear views. So please enjoy this one.
Descent to reach 250 by 30.
Landing flight level 290 on a heading of 105.
Blue Mix 530 X-ray load at flight level 350, confirm request level.
Ik ga even naar de mensen.
Level 350, requesting level 370. Blue Max 530.
IT.
Roger.
Dear passengers from the flight deck, as you might have noticed, we started the descent into Rotterdam. The latest weather, it's a very nice day, which you can already see if you look outside. Clear skies and good visibility, of course. The wind is a bit from the northeast. And the temperature is 15 degrees centigrade. We are going to prepare ourselves now for the rest of the descent and the landing. From the flight deck, we say goodbye to you and wish you a pleasant stay in the Netherlands on a good onward trip.
Brussels, goedemiddag, 77 Quebec, level 264 for 250 to Freddy.
77 Quebec, goedenavond, radar contact. Continue on the heading and descend to flight level 160.
On the heading down level 160, 77 Quebec.
Unit 6 Romeo Alpha, contact London, 118.480, tot straks.
118.480, bedankt, 6 Romeo Alpha.
77 Quebec, Amsterdam, 130.955 with our navigation to Dofmu.
No navigation, Dofmu, and Amsterdam, 130.955, 77 Quebec. Goedemiddag, 77 Quebec, level 178 for 160 to Dofmu.
Portugal 67 Alpha Mike, descent to flight level 180.
7180 Portugal 67 Alpha Mike, just to clarify, we were previously cleared to flight level 100 from previous sector.
Portugal 67 Alpha Mike, Roger, stop descent at flight level 150 in that case.
Stop descent level 150 Portugal 67 Alpha Mike.
77 Quebec, continue to Dofmu, runway 06, descend to flight level 100.
100, Dofmu for the 06, 77 Quebec.
Check.
Cabin crew, prepare for landing.
77 Quebec, contact Rotterdam, 122.990.
22990, 77 Quebec. Rotterdam, goedemiddag, 77 Quebec, out of level 100 for 60.
Now 77 Quebec, proceed out to Hello for the ILS 06. Information Bravo.
Hello for the 06, Bravo, 77 Quebec.
Quebec, expect for the descent at about 10 miles.
Okay, 77 Quebec, Roger. 10.
Quebec, descent altitude 2000 feet, QNH 1028.
2000 feet on the QNH 1028, 77 Quebec.
028.
Set.
Daar is die.
Mooi man. Approach checklist.
Altimeters.
1028.
Approach checklist complete.
77 Quebec, you cleared straight in ILS approach runway 06.
Wait for the straight in 06, 77 Quebec.
Nou, gaan we deel 250 en bovenop zitten. Vind je dit?
Ja.
Niet like a shotgun.
En runway in sight.
Jeetje, Piet, je bent heel snel. Oh ja, check, ik zie je net ook.
Check.
Dat is mooi. Nou, deze moetjes terug zitten een beetje. 22. Mooi pad nog, dat is goed, dat is onder. Helemaal super. Flaps 1 alsjeblieft. Check. down.
Cabin crew, take your seats.
Flaps 5. Check.
2500.
Check. Gaan sturen, zelf sturen, Piet.
Yes sir.
En zit flap 5 speed.
Flaps 15.
Yes, set speed 15.
Speed 15. Set forelock capture. Check. Altitude quiet.
License captured, Mr. Roger set.
License capture 2000. Check.
Stylist, 77 Quebec.
77 Quebec, 5 miles to go, number 1, contact tower, 118 decimal 205. Vanavond.
18205, 77 Quebec.
Copy.
Now we'll be 77 Quebec on the ILS 06.
77 Quebec, vanavond, runway 06, clear to land. The wind 350 degrees, 7 knots, costing 14.
Copy the wind, we're clear to land 06, 77 Quebec.
That's 25.
Outer brakes op 3.
Check.
Flaps 25.
Speed 25.
Check. Tot 1,4, dus we kunnen misschien een paar knopjes erbij om de zekerheid. Zullen we 145 van maken?
Is goed ook. Ja,
check.
check.
Dat zo.
En flaps 40. Zet was
145.
1000.
check.
Check. Landing checklist.
Yes,
Engine start switches.
Continuous.
Speed brake.
Disarmed.
Landing gear.
Down.
Flaps.
40 required and the green light.
Landing checklist completed. 6 op de neus, 8 van links.
Rotterdam Tower, 5, dat is flight completed. And that's zero. Good, it's off.
En Sky, Roger, switch off, is approved, morgen maar weer.
500.
Check.
Checked, stabilized.
This was approved, hele fijne avond, tot morgen. Sky.
Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Check.
Check.
$100. $50.
Papa Victor uniform,
40.
over Oscar.
$30. $20.
Papa Victor,
10.
Papa, report Papa.
Die bedoeling, sorry.
Speed brake is up. And reverse is normal.
Gear down.
Cabin crew, take your seats.
Flaps 5. Check.
2500.
Check. Gaan sturen, zelf sturen, Piet.
Yes sir.
En zit flap 5 speed. Flaps 15. Yes. Set speed
Speed 15. Set 4 lock capture. Check. Altitude quiet.
License captured, Mr. Project set.
License capture 2000. Check.
Stylist, 77 Quebec.
77 Quebec, 5 miles to go, number 1, contact tower, Runway decimal 205. Vanavond.
Runway 205, 77 Quebec.
Copy.
Goeiedag, 77 Quebec on the ILS 06.
77 Quebec, Brabant, runway 06, clear to land. The wind 350 degrees, 7 knots, cruising mark 4.
Copy the wind, we're clear to land 06, 77 Quebec.
That's 25.
Outer brakes op 3.
Check.
Flaps 25.
Speed 25.
Check. Tot 1,4, dus we kunnen misschien een paar knopjes erbij doen. De zekerheid. Zullen we 145 van maken?
Is goed dan. Ja,
check.
check.
Dat zo.
En flaps 40. Dus het was
145.
1000.
check.
Check. Landing checklist.
Yes,
Engine start switches.
Continuous.
Speed brake.
His arms.
Landing gear.
Down.
Flaps.
40 required and the green light.
Landing checklist completed. 6 op de neus, 8 van links.
Rotterdam Tower, 5, dat is flight completed. En dat is Zeeland.
MSK, Roger, switch off is approved. Morgen maar weer.
500.
Check.
Checked, stabilized.
Dit was approved. Hele fijne avond. Tot morgen. MSK.
Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Check.
Check.
$100. $50.
Papa Victor uniform, over
40.
Oscar.
$30. $20.
Papa Victor,
10.
Papa, report Papa.
Die bedoel ik, sorry.
Speed brake is up. And reverse is normal.
Gear down.
Cabin crew, take your seats.
Flaps 5. Check.
2,500.
Check. Gaan sturen, zelf sturen, Piet.
Yes, sir.
En zit flat 5 speed.
Flaps 15.
Yes. Set speed 15.
Speed 15. Set 4 lock capture. Check. Altitude quiet.
License captured, Mr. Project set.
License capture 2000. Check.
Number stylist, 77 Quebec.
77 Quebec, 5 miles to go, number 1, contact tower, Runway decimal 205. Vanavond.
Runway 205, 77 Quebec.
Copy.
goeiedag. 77 Quebec on the ILS 06.
77 Quebec Bravo, runway 06, clear to land. The wind 350 degrees, 7 knots, cruising 14.
Copy the wind, we're clear to land 06, 77 Quebec.
That's 25.
Outer brakes op 3.
Check.
Flaps 25.
Speed 25.
Tot 1,4, dus we kunnen misschien een paar knopjes erbij om de zekerheid. Zullen we 145 van maken?
Is er dan? Ja, check.
Dat zo.
En flaps 40. Dus het was
145.
1000.
check.
Check. Landing checklist.
Yes,
Engine start switches.
Continuous.
Speed brake.
His arms.
Landing gear.
Down.
Flaps.
40 required and the green light.
Landing checklist completed. 6 op de neus, 8 van links.
Rotterdam Tower, sky, over flight completed.
En Sky, Roger, switch off is approved, morgen maar weer.
500.
Check.
Checked, stabilized.
Dit was approved, hele fijne avond, tot morgen, sky.
Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Check.
Check.
$100. 50.
Pacific uniform, over
40.
Oscar.
30. 20.
Papa Victor
10.
Papa, report Papa.
Die bedoeling, sorry.
Speed brake is up. And reverse is normal.
Volgetjes.
Yes.
Zijn we weer.
77 Quebec, taxi Delta 2, fijne avond.
Delta 2 en goede dienst Belgium 77 Quebec.
Papa Victor uniform, over at wind.
Papa Victor uniform, frequency change approved, tot straks.
Frequency change approved, Papa Victor uniform.
Er staat iemand. So that's it for this flight. I hope you enjoyed the ride. Please press that like button if you did. And of course you can subscribe over here. I've got some more videos over here and I got a complete playlist over there. And that's it for now. Vliegpiet out.